The Travelpro Crew Versapack underseater is a compact and lightweight carry-on with thoughtful interior and exterior compartments for organisation. Measuring 8.25 by 13.25 by 16 inches, this case will fit underneath the seat in front of you on many airplanes, and it weighs 6.6 pounds. This soft-side carry-on is made from high-density ballistic nylon and has a DuraGuard coating to resist stains and abrasions. There's an external USB port on the exterior of the case for keeping your devices charged on the go. There's also an inbuilt ID holder on the side of the case. The front pocket is perfect for your travel documents or tech and has a padded pocket for a tablet. The side pocket is tall enough to hold an umbrella or water bottle. The other zippered pouch on the exterior of the bag is for storing the telescopic handle. This retracts inside the case, so it does take up a little of the packing space inside the main compartment. Two straps join together to form the strong top carry handle, which then detach to open the case. There are no handles on the side or bottom of the case. The telescoping handle is adjustable to 3 heights using the button on the handle. It was a bit noisy pulling it up and down, but was pretty smooth to operate. The ball-bearing inline skate wheels are recessed for extra protection, and the 2 luggage feet enable the bag to stand up right unassisted. The wheels rolled smoothly and quietly on a variety of surfaces. With a low profile, the guard protects the bottom of the bag when rolling it on uneven terrain. The luggage sleeve on the back of the bag allows you to slip the sleeve over the handle of a suitcase for easy carrying. The main compartment has a U-shaped lid to open as much or as little as needed to access your belongings without items falling out. It's spacious and can fit a couple of days' worth of clothes. The interior lining is easy to wipe clean, and there's a padded compartment in the lid to hold a 14-inch laptop. The bag includes a removable hanging toiletry organiser with water-resistant compartments and mesh pockets. The double zippers are smooth running and have easy grip zipper pulls. These interlace on the main compartment to attach your own luggage lock. Overall, the Travelpro Crew Versapack underseater is a great bag for short trips or flights with only a personal item. It's easy to see why this range is so popular with airline industry staff. To complete the set, there are totes and multiple size carry-ons, medium and large checked suitcases available in the Travelpro Crew Versapack collection.